after you go through the process of, you know, and doing all the install files and all that, you will come to, let me get the focus going here. Come on, focus. You will have to do the restart. It's going to focus. Give it a second. There we go. You will have to restart it, and then you'll go through the grub files and all that. There we go. Now it wants to focus. And then you'll go through no crashing and move that, the USB, and press enter. All that fun stuff. Yeah, this little thing was what gets you going. I'll be sending that out to my buddy here tomorrow. Hopefully she's watching. I'm sending out the Chromebook she got from me, and hopefully she can get it going and all that fun stuff too. If you're watching, Snack, hopefully get that Samsung going. Oh wow, that was quick. You didn't have to do that whole grub rundown. So depending on what you do and what you have for your email and all that, you can connect any of your online accounts. I have a Google, so connect to a Google account. Obviously not going to show all that, just wanted to show a quick what you go through and all that, but this will be part 3, and you know, you connect to what you can, and then we'll go through the apps and all that on part 4.